Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Easy Learning. Today our topic is work center determination. First, let me introduce you the scenarios that need this solution. For some industries, one production operation may have several production lines. And for production planner, once they release the production order, they can determine which production line will be used for this production. But in routing master data, only one production line is set up for this operation. In this case, they have to manually change the production line in the order. Oh, by the way, production line in SAP terms, we call it work center in discrete production or resource in process production. And sometimes it's very difficult for them to remember the exactly work center code for this operation. SAP provides a solution for this scenario. That planner can choose the work center from a predefined list when release the production order. And this solution also can be used for PM module for the maintenance work order or any other orders that need work center determination. Now let me show you how to realize this solution in SAP. First, we need to create characteristics, and then we will create class. And then we assign the characteristics to this class, and then assign the class to work center. And then we will define the work center condition in routing. And at last, we choose the work center when create or release the production order. First, let's check this example. In this master recipe, or we call it routing, for this operation, we have a default resource or work center. But there are two more alternative work centers for this operation. AM110 is the default work center, and 110-2 is another option, and we have a third option, 110-3. Our purpose is when we create a production order or process order, we can choose one of these three work centers as the work center for this operation. Okay, first we need to create characteristic. Here is a specific requirement for this characteristic. The value of this characteristic should be exactly same as work center code. So here we input work center code as values of this characteristic. Next step, we need to create a class. The class type, we need to choose work center class. Here we input the characteristic we created before. Next step, we need to assign the class to all the three work centers. We choose extras classification. For characteristic value, we input work center code. After we press enter, it will change to work center description. Okay, save it and do the same for the second work center and the third work center. For the characteristic value for each work center, we just input the work center code. Okay, next step, we define the work center condition in routing. And in the in-process production, we call it master recipe. Same concept. First, highlight the operation and click Go To. Resource condition. Okay, on this screen, we need to input all the three options in the condition. For the default setting, there's only one work center in the list. So we need to find the button, add button, and then add another two options. Okay, now we save the recipe. Okay, all the setup are done, and next we choose the work center when we create the process order. Okay, now create a process order. Press enter, date, and then choose routing. Go to operation, highlight this operation. Go to operation menu and find the resource selection. Now we can choose the work center from the list. And if we choose the work center, it will replace the original work center in this operation. Okay, let's try to select another work center. See, the work center changed. Now you can save this order or release this order. Okay, that's all for this class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.